Hello students, welcome to online classes of Divine Public School. Today we shall discuss exercise of first chapter Silver Heart. In my previous videos I had explained this chapter and I had been written word meaning, question answer and told you write word meaning and question answer in your notebook and learn it. I hope every student has done there. So let's start exercise. First exercise is tick and write the correct option. Here are given four options. One option is right. Which option is right? We shall tick. First, I saw a kid from my class was walking, running, wandering, or playing. So right option is walking. Next is Kyle must really be a student, player, wise, or nerd. So right option is nerd. Narrator think that Kyle must be really a nerd. So nerd is right option. Third is Kyle looked up and I saw the terrible happiness, sadness, rudeness or fear. Right option is sadness. Next, it was one of those smiles that show real cheerfulness, offense, gratitude, play. Right option, gratitude. Next is I knew that we would always be friend, partner, enemy, neighbors. Right option, friends. Next, Kyle's grandmother, sister, parents, relative. Right option is Kyle's parents. Next is fill in the blanks using given words. Here are given some words. Using these words, fill in the blanks. First is I saw a bunch of kids running. फर्स्ट में क्या फिलअप होगा रनिंग. सेकेंड इज आई आस्क्ड हिम वाई आई हैड नेवर सीन हिम बिफोर. क्या फिलअप होगा बिफोर. थर्ड इज आई आस्क्ड हिम इफ ही वांटेड टू प्ले लिटिल फुटबॉल. फोर्थ इज काइल वाज valedictorian. Valedictorian means best student. Fifth, he had more dates than I had and all the girls loved. Right answer is loved. Next, I saw his mom and dad looking at me and smiling. B exercise has been finished. Let's see. Write T for true and F for false statement. Which statement is true? We said tick true. Which are false? We tick the false. Let's see first. The narrator saw a kid from his class was walking home from school. It is a false. Right क्या? Kid नहीं है. क्या होगा? Kid. Next is the narrator saw a bunch of kids running towards the Kyles. Narrator बच्चों का एक झुंड देखता है काइल्स की तरफ जाते हुए. True. Kyles had gone to private school before this school. It is true. Narrator asked him Kyles to play football with his friends. True. Kyle and narrator become best friends over the next 4 years. True. Narrator was going to Duke. It is also true. Sometimes the narrator was jealous to Kyle's. True. Kyle's looked hard at the narrator and gave him a little smile. True. Narrator saw Kyle's parents. Narrator saw Kyle's parents looking at him and smiling the same grateful smile. It is also true. तो लेट्स statement 2 to 9, all statements are true. Let's see D. Write who the following statement. Here given some statement. Write who said the following statement. इस statement को किसने कहा था? First, he must really be a nerd. और वास्तव में एक बेवकूफ है. नर्ड मीन्स बेवकूफ. इसको किसने कहा था? नरेटर ने. नेक्स्ट इज दोज गाइज आर जर्क्स. जर्क्स मीन्स स्टूपिड पर्सन. ये इसको किसने कहा था? नरेटर ने कहा था. थर्ड इज काइल्स हैड गॉन टू प्राइवेट स्कूल बिफोर नाउ. स्टूडेंट यहाँ काइल्स नहीं, यहाँ आई होना चाहिए. आई हैड गॉन टू प्राइवेट स्कूल बिफोर नाउ. ये किसने कहा था? काइल्स ने कहा था. माई फ्रेंड्स थॉट द सेम ऑफ हिम. इसको किसने कहा था? नरेटर. नेक्स्ट इज ग्रेजुएशन इज ए टाइम टू थैंक दोज हु हेल्प यू मेक इट थ्रू दोज टफ ईयर्स. काइल. नेक्स्ट, thankfully I was saved. My friend saved me from doing the unspeakable. It is also said Kyles. Let's see next. Answer the following question orally. Exercise E and F has done in my previous video. It is question answer. Question answer has been done in my previous video. Let's see next. G. Find the words from the lesson that are the synonym of these words. Here are given some words. Find the synonym from the chapter. First is hit repeatedly. Its synonym is knocking. Let's see next. Dreadful. Dreadful means भयानक. Its synonym is terrible. Youth. Youth synonym young. A school that is not run by government. Private school. Next is slap somebody. Smacked. मारना, चाटा मारना. Next is feeling as are expressing thanks. Gratitude. Let's see students next. Make sentence of the following idioms. Here are given some idioms and make a meaningful sentence. Students, I told you the meaning of these idioms. Make sentence yourself. First is child's play. Child's play. Child's play means बच्चों का खेल. Child's play means बच्चों का खेल. I make one sentence. Child's play. To be a successful in life is not a child's play. जीवन में सफल होना बच्चों का खेल नहीं है. Next is a rolling stone. Rolling stone means राह का पत्थर. Next, null and void means अस्पष्ट, निष्प्रभाव, इसका कोई प्रभाव ना हो. A man of letters. साहित्यिक व्यक्ति. साहित्यिक व्यक्ति. Ineffix. Ineffix means एक जगह फिक्स होना, स्थिर होना. Out of date means तारीख से बाहर, जो पुराना हो गया हो. I have told the sentence. Child's play. To be successful in life is not a child's play. Second, a rolling stone. Many leaders are like rolling stone. Third is Amit delivered a null and void speech. Fourth, a man of letters. Kalidas was a man of letters. In a fix, nowadays I am in a fix. Out of date. Long boots are out of date now. Let's see next exercise. Match the following with the opposites. Students here are given words and its opposite are other side. Match the following with their opposites. First, large. Large means bada. Its opposites are small. Small. Where is small? Small f. Write f in front of large. Next, entire. Entire opposite incomplete. Entire के opposite incomplete. Next, afraid. Afraid means भयभीत. Its opposite is brave. Brave means बहादुर. Fourth is closure. Closure opposite लेटर बाद में. क्लोजर बस पास में और लेटर बाद में. नेक्स्ट इज डिलाइटेड. डिलाइटेड मीन्स खुशी, हैप्पी. इट्स अपोजिट इज अनहैप्पी. लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट. रस. रस मीन्स भाग दौड़, जल्दी जल्दी. इट्स अपोजिट इज डिले, लेट. Next, always. Always opposite is never. Here are given. Next is arrived. Arrived opposite depart. Honest. Honest opposite dishonest. Next, certain. Its opposite is uncertain. Students, there are many exercises given in this chapter. So students, remaining exercise will be do in my next video. Thank you.